Today, I'd like to introduce the SECG 4.0, a single-channel ECG simulator developed by Whale Tech. The SECG 4.0, when connected to a breakout box, allows for the connection to all electrodes including RA, LA, LL, and RL. This is a 12-lead ECG machine, and you can see the signals generated by the SECG 4.0 displayed here. Connect the SECG 4.0 to the computer using a USB cable. Through the dedicated SECG 4.0 software installed in the computer, users can control how the SECG 4.0 generates signals. During testing, we suggest that users put a metal plate under the simulator and the ECG machine and ground them to it. This helps reduce noise interference. Now let's take a look at the functions provided by the SECG 4.0 software. The primary purpose of the simulator is to generate signals described in standards. For example, sine waves, triangle waves, square waves, rectangle pulses, triangle pulses, exponential, and ECG signals required by IEC 60601-2-27. Additionally, the SECG 4.0 provides some special signals required by IEC 60601-2-27 and CAL signals required by IEC 6601-2-25 and IEC 6601-2-51. There's a function called Load ECG, allowing users to reproduce special ECG signals recorded by ECG machines, which can be useful for testing. Each signal, for example, the sine wave, can be adjusted in terms of amplitude, frequency, and BPM, beats per minute. We select the RA electrode in the user interface to output the configured signals, and you can see all RA-related signals displayed on the ECG machine. Furthermore, there's a pacemaker function that allows users to set the amplitude and duration required for pacing. To help users conduct medical compliance tests and streamline the testing process, we have incorporated the Standard Assistance function, SECG Assistant and SECG Assistant 2. The SECG Assistant provides all required tests of each test clause in IEC 60601-2-25, IEC 60601-2-27, and IEC 60601-2-47. For example, the input impedance test requires sine wave at 0.67 Hz and 40 Hz via assigned electrodes with options of removing 620 kilo-ohm, adding 620 kilo-ohm with a DC offset of 300 millivolt, and adding 620 kilo-ohm with a DC offset of minus 300 millivolt. Once users confirm those test parameters, just click Run to start the test. In short, users can just follow the instructions and directly measure test results on the ECG machine. Regarding SECG Assistant 2, it's designed for China YY and JJG standards. Let's change the user interface language to simplified Chinese. After clicking SECG Assistant 2, users can select YY 1079, YY 1139, YY 0782, YY 0885, JJG 760, and JJG 1042 to test even the IEC 60601-2-26 for EEG testing. All the test items will be displayed once users select the standard and test clause. So if we choose the tall T wave test in YY 1079, the SECG Assistant software will advise adjustable parameters and pass criteria. In sum, the standard assistance function enables users to easily comply with regulatory requirements and simplifies the testing process. We've come to the end of our brief introduction to the SECG 4.0 single-channel ECG simulator. Thank you for your time.